Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is AbsolutelySha. Welcome to my channel. And if you are not a subscriber, go ahead, like, comment, hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so that each and every time I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. So, by the title of this video, you know that I am going to share with you my Fab Fit Fun Summer box. I am so excited. I love Fab Fit Fun. If you are unfamiliar with them, they are they are a subscription box that you get filled with various different goodies from skincare, makeup. Sometimes they give you jewelry. It's just like a whole variation of things that you can try. I will leave a link in my description box below so that you can have a look and check them out. Like I said, it is a subscription service. However, you're not charged every single month. You're only charged by the seasons. So there's a fall box, a winter box, a spring box, and a summer box. And today you are about to see what I received in my summer box. I believe it's $50. But again, like I said, it's not every single month that you're charged at $50. You're only charged each season. All right, so I have not looked inside. I have no idea what I got. I think I pre-selected some things. I'm not sure. I can't remember. But let's see. Okay. So in each box, you get the Fab Fit Fun magazine, and it has really cool little articles in here, but they also tell you about the products that you received inside this season's box. So let's see. Some things everyone get in their box, some things not everyone gets. They also like to give you cute little gift cards that come with it. And let's see what I got. So, excuse me. Let's start with, this is a beach mist that I received, Botanical After Sun Spray Fresh. And it says, shake gently before use and spray onto face or desired area of body. And let's see what the retail value of this is. Give me one moment. I like to look through the magazine. So this is $42 and it's by the Lifestyle Co. Lifestyle Co. Beach Mist. And this is it. I don't know if it really has a scent to it. Yeah, it does. It smells fresh, just like it says, fresh. All right, so the retail value of that was $42. Not bad. All right, let's look at the very next thing that I received. All right, so this is from, I believe, Tom's. Yes, so I received something from Tom's. Let's see what it is. I feel like it's sunglasses. Oh my gosh, and it is. So I received these pair of sunglasses from Tom's, and the retail value of these sunglasses is $58. And I love sunglasses, so yeah, I am totally about to try these on. Oh, what do you guys think? I like these. I like it. These are cute. Oh my gosh. See, you guys need to sign up for Fab Fit Fun. Like, you really get some cute things. I am so happy about that one. So yeah, so I received some black sunglasses from Tom, and I will be wearing those today. Okay, next thing I received, let's see, is Tarocco foot cream. Ooh, Sicilian blood oranges. This is what I received, and like I said, it is a foot cream. And the retail value of this is $24. Let's see what it smells. Oh, it has the shrink wrap protector on it. Let's see what it smells like. It smells so good. It smells really good. So yeah, I received this foot cream. And like I said, that retail value is $24. And I received from Makeup Drop, I received this beauty sponge. And it is, retail value of this is $20. So yeah, and I guess I probably should have told you guys how many items you received. This is a roll-on fragrance oil, Riddle. And let's see. Yeah, this is from Riddle. And it's a roll-on fragrance oil. The retail value of this is $50 is the retail value for this. And let me see. Oh, that smells so good. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Oh, it mixes with your personal chemistry. So it mixes with your personal chemistry to create a signature scent. I'm gonna roll it on. I wonder what it's going to. That smells amazing. Amazing that smells. Okay, so far I received 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. 5 full-size items. I should have said they give you full-size items. Okay, the next thing, trying to get it out of this box, is this, and let's open it and see what it is. There's something else in here that's really big, and I can't wait to see what it is. Okay, this is an Aloe and Tea Tree Toner, and it's by Tere Marie. Forgive me if I'm pronouncing this wrong, but this is a facial toner, and the retail value of this is $54. And this is the tea tree oil. Like I said, they give you full-size items. I smell everything, so never mind me. That's just kind of what I do. I smell everything. But yeah, so this facial toner, $54. So far, this box is pretty costly, and I only paid $50 to receive all of these items. So I think Fab Fit Fun is definitely a subscription service you should try. Now this is, listen, I love it. Matter of fact, it's about to be a year, I think, that I've been with Fab Fit Fun, because I remember I signed up last summer in 2019 is when I signed up with them. Okay, this right here, Jet Set. I have no idea what this is. I wonder what. Oh, I received a Michael Kors wallet. And let's see what the retail value. Oh, it's a passport wallet. Retail value of this is $78. So where are we now with how many items? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 full-size items, and I think I have one more thing in here. So that means I have 8 full-size items, and a lot of them in this box was like $50, $40. So I think I got a really, really good deal paying $50, like I said, and I received all of these items. Okay, and I believe this might be the last item. Yes, it is. Right, so this is my last item, which is this. Here it says Mason Home Scent Collection Solace Diffuser. So let's open this up. And I'm trying to see what the retail value of this is. Because they have a diffuser in here, but I don't know if it's the one, I guess it's the one that I have. So this is $59. So let's see. And you know what? This came at the perfect time because I was honestly thinking about going to Target because I've seen diffusers in Target and I was thinking like, you know what, maybe I should go ahead and get one. I've had one many years ago, but yeah, I wanted another one. Okay, so they have it packaged up so nicely, but I want to know what it smells like. So I'm going to be very gentle and I'm going to open it. Oh, got to push down. Let's see. Oh yeah, I'm going to love this. It smells really good. Really good. All right, guys. So there you have it. That is my Fab Fit Fun box. I received 8 full-size items. And I think this was a fabulous box. I honestly, since I've been with Fab Fit Fun, I love everything in it. Like, I love my box. I love my box. So, there you have it, guys. If you want to try out Fab Fit Fun, again, there might be a referral link that I have that I will leave in the description box below. This video is not sponsored at all by Fab Fit Fun. I just love receiving these boxes in the mail. It kind of feels like, you know, a special gift every season that I look forward to receiving. So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in my very next video. Bye.